Hello everyone. Today we will try to learn the major seaports which are situated in India through a short trick. Before getting into the short trick, I like to share some information regarding the major seaports which are situated in India. With a coastline of more than 7,500 km, India forms one of the biggest peninsula in the world. The country has 13 major seaports and about 200 non-major seaports and intermediate ports. In this video, we will discuss or we will learn only about the 13 major seaports with a short trick. All the seaports are located in the following states. It's all about the 200 major ports, not only about the 13 major seaports. So these all the seaports, that is around 200 seaports are located in the following states: Maharashtra, Gujarat, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Daman and Diu, Andhra Pradesh, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Kerala, Karnataka, West Bengal, Lakshadweep, Puducherry and Goa. The major ports are administered by the Shipping Ministry of the central government. So here you have to note that the major ports which we are going to discuss are administered by the Shipping Ministry of the central government. So it comes under the direct control of the central government. While the minor ports are taken care of by the ministry of the respective states where they are located. Now we will go through some of the interesting facts about the seaports which are in India. As per the Kandla port, which is in Gujarat, is located on the Gulf of Kutch. It is the largest port of India by volume of cargo handled. So it is the largest port of India when we speak of the volume of cargo. Then we have the Marmegao port, is the leading iron ore exporting port of India with an annual throughput of about 27.33 million tons of iron ore traffic. Penambur is the site of seaport called New Mangalore Port. Then we have Ennore Port, officially renamed Kamarunjara Port Limited, is the only corporatized major port and is registered as a company. Then about the Jawaharlal Nehru Port, is the largest container port in India. It was formerly known as Nhava Sheva Port. New Mangalore Port is a deep water all-weather port and the only major port of Karnataka. So it is the only major port of Karnataka which is known by the name of New Mangalore Port. Tuticorin Port is an artificial deep sea harbour of India. Next is the Paradeep Port, is an artificial and deep water port. After that we have the Madras Port. Madras Port is the one of the oldest port of India and the second largest port in the country. Followed by Mumbai Port, handles 1/5 of the India's foreign trade with predominance in dry cargo and mineral oil from the Gulf countries. Tuticorin Port is officially known as V.O. Chidambaranar Port. So now the Tuticorin Port is known as V.O. Chidambaranar Port. That was all about the interesting facts which are related to our major sea ports. So here we are with the map. On the map, all the major seaports are there, and the blue one which is indicated with the blue color are the intermediate seaports, but it is not the matter of discussion of our topic. So we are going to cover only the major seaports which are highlighted with red color and red digits. So here we are going to start from the east to the west, starting with Haldia Port as it is on first position. It is only a numbering, it is not something which is related to the rank. Then followed by the Paradeep Port, that is in Orissa. You can see in the map that is second is Paradeep Port. Followed by the Visakhapatnam Port, as the number 3 denotes the location of the Visakhapatnam port. Then we have Karamjara port, that is in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has 3 ports, one after another. That is, another is the Chennai port, you can see in the map, followed by Tuticorin port, which is also in Tamil Nadu. Then when we move to our southern part, to the southern west, we can find the Kochi port, which is situated in Kerala. Then further on the 8th position in the map, you can see New Mangalore port, which is in Karnataka, and it is the only port of Karnataka, major port of Karnataka. Then we move to the Goa. There we can find 2 ports. One is the Mormugao port, another is the Panaji port, and you know that Panaji is the capital of Goa also. Then we gets into the region of Maharashtra, where you can find 2 major seaports. One is Jawaharlal Nehru port, that is on 11th number on the map, and on the 12th number we have the Mumbai port, it is also in Maharashtra. Then it's 13, that is Kandla port, which is in Gujarat. So these all are the major seaports which are situated in India. Now we will try to learn all the major seaports of India with tricks. So here is the trick. New tutor Kamran of Mumbai can coach in more depth. So a new tutor was appointed for Mumbai, whose name was Kamran. So he has good knowledge, so he can coach in more depth. More depth means he can teach in depth. So this sentence will help us to learn few of the seaports which are in India. So we will try to relate that words with the ports, starting with the new, that is the New Mangalore port, it is in Karnataka. Then we have tutor stands for Tuticorin port, Tamil Nadu, which is now officially known as V.O. Chidambaram port. Then we have the name of the tutor, that is Kamran. Kamran is for Kamarajara port, which is in Chennai. It was before it was known as Ennore port. Now we have Mumbai. Mumbai is related to the Mumbai port, which is in Maharashtra. Can is for Kandla port, which is in Gujarat. Koch is for Kochi port, which is in Kerala. Then More is for Moregaon port, that is in Panaji, Goa. Depth, where we have to consider the deep word, deep. So deep is for Paradeep port, which is in Jagatsinghpura, Odisha. So this short code, that is the trick, new tutor Kamran of Mumbai can coach in more depth, will help you to learn the name of this following major seaports of India. Here we are with another set of ports which are situated in India. So we are going to learn this set of ports through the short code, that is Chacha Nehru, holder of Visa and PAN card. So Chacha Nehru has Visa and PAN card, so he is the holder of Visa and PAN card. So Chacha is for Chennai port, Tamil Nadu. Nehru is for Jawaharlal Nehru port, Maharashtra. Holder is for Haldia port, Kolkata, West Bengal. Visa is for Visakhapatnam port, which is in Andhra Pradesh. PAN is for Panaji port, that is in Goa. So here our topic, major seaports of India with short tricks ends. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, as it will inspire us to launch more videos. Don't forget to subscribe us and click on the notification bell, as it will inform you when we will launch our new videos. Thanks for watching.